Imagine a world where your Apple Watch doesn't just tell time or count steps, it quietly watches over your heart and could even warn you about hypertension before you notice any symptoms. That future isn't far off. Apple's latest watchOS 26 rolls out hypertension notifications to not just its newest models, but, surprise, to several older versions as well. Many users have been waiting for this upgrade, but here's the twist. There are a few hidden catches you'll want to know about, and opinions are already divided. So, which watches make the cut for this life-changing feature? Let's break down the compatibility list. Apple Watch Series 11, Apple Watch Series 10, Apple Watch Series 9, Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple Watch Ultra 2. But here's where it gets controversial. You'll need an iPhone 11 or newer running the latest iOS 26. Is it? Apple asks that wrist detection is switched on so your watch knows you're actually wearing it. Plus, you need to confirm you're 22 or older, not pregnant, and haven't already been diagnosed with hypertension. This last requirement might make some users feel excluded. Should Apple offer options for users already managing hypertension? Sound off below. Ready to get started? Activating hypertension monitoring is pretty direct, with Apple guiding you step by step. 1. Open the Health app on your iPhone. 2. Tap the profile icon in the upper corner. 3. Go to Health Checklist under Features. 4. Select Hypertension Notifications. 5. Confirm your age and indicate if you've ever been diagnosed with hypertension. Then proceed. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to understand how notifications will work. 7. Finish with Done. And this is the part most people miss. Your Apple Watch won't start alerting you immediately. Apple takes a full 30 days to gather heart data through its optical sensor, analyzing for patterns that suggest hypertension. This is meant to improve accuracy. But do you think a month is too long to wait for such important health feedback? During this 30-day period, your watch is essentially learning your heart's habits. If it recognizes signs of hypertension over time, you'll receive a timely notification. Apple notes these evaluations begin right when you enable the feature, so patience is key. Want a deeper dive into how it all works? Apple's support site offers more technical details, and we always recommend checking official resources if you're curious about privacy and how your health data is managed. Oh, and if you're accessorizing your Apple Watch, some popular choices are flying off the shelves. The AirPods Pro 3 are perfect for workouts. The Anchor portable USB-C charger keeps you powered on the go, and the Retro Max stand spices up nightstand mode, ideal for retro fans. There's also the handy Swap Bandit for anyone who loves changing watch bands to match their look. Now, for the big question, is Apple's approach to hypertension detection the right solution for everyday users? Are the eligibility limits and waiting period justified, or do you think people with a history of hypertension should be able to use it too? Share your thoughts and arguments below. Let's get the dialogue going.